Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe, we are preparing beans and rice coconut. It's a local delicacy and you're going to enjoy it. So watch to the end and see how I made this. So let's get cooking. So guys, the oil is hot now, so I'll put on my slide onion. So you stir and stir and stir. Allow it to fry. Allow it to fry very well. So this is what we have here. Now I cannot add in our pepper because we are using just peppers. In here I have shombo, I have patache, I have scotch bonnet, and they are coarsely blended. You can use your mortar or your food processor for this. So I'll just add it now and let it cook. So guys, this is what we have now. So I'll be adding some crayfish. So my people, today is Good Friday and as a Catholic we don't eat meat today. So this is our fish dinner. So I'm using fish for this recipe. You can use meat if you want to use meat. This is my smoked fish that I'm adding now, and I'll stir everything for it to take in some juice. I'll add in some salt. Do not add too much salt. So I've already parboiled my basmati rice and beans, so I'll now introduce them into this juicy pot. So this is the rice. This is beans. So combine everything. Let all the pepper touch every grain. So guys, this is what we have here. So now it's time for me to introduce in the coconut milk. Because I put the coconut milk in the fridge because I made it myself, it has congealed it on the fire now it's going to melt. So this is how it looks like now. I'll cover the pot and let it steam on a very low heat. So guys, you can see there's no seasoning in this food and I want it to be so delicious. So I'll be adding in more crayfish because this delicacy you have to be generous with crayfish. So now I'll cover the pot and let this start cooking. Wow, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. You can see how fine the face of this beans and the rice coconut is. So guys, I'm not using so much of oyibo ingredients. So now the rice is dry. I'll add in some curry leaves. This will take this to another level. So at this point, I'll just combine everything. Wow. Wow. So amazing. So guys, this is our coconut rice and beans. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you have watched up to this moment, please do. And if you've been following me, thank you so very much. I'm going to be serving this with my fried plantain. You can pair it with anything you want to pair it with. Happy Good Friday to my Catholic fans. I'm done cooking and this is our coconut beans and rice. You can see how fine the face is. Just try yours and let me know what you think about this. The aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. So yummy. Everywhere is filled up with the aroma of coconuts. Like I said, I'll be pairing mine with some cubed plantain, and that is what we are going to be having it with. So guys, bring your spoon, bring your spoon. I would like to share with you people, bring your spoon. A spoon of this will take you to where you don't know. So grab your spoon now and come and follow me. So guys, this is what we have today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next. Bye bye.